Welcome to hashincludeelectronics. In this video, we are going to provide a solution for the problem we are facing with laptop battery because of continuous charging. As we all know that due to COVID pandemic, most of us have to work from home. As we are continuously working, we often don't pay attention on the laptop's battery and sometimes keep it plugged in 24/7. So even though laptop battery is 100% charged, battery charger is still plugged in. The main problem starts when our laptop continues to run and eventually temperature gets too high. So the main cause of battery life reduction is when a 100% charged battery remains plugged in and temperature also remains elevated for too long. It reduces battery life significantly. There are new laptops with software that helps deal with this issue through battery charge threshold, though there are many of us still struggling with this battery problem. I would like to thank one of my best friends, Siddharth Pandey, who gave me this idea and suggested me to find solution on this problem. So I created a smart device called Battery Lifesaver to solve this problem, which will automatically handle switching on and off of charger. So let's get started and take a look at this smart device. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit subscribe button below and press bell icon to get latest updates. This device is based on Arduino microcontroller and Bluetooth. Its main purpose is to switch on and off charger whenever needed. The idea is to send battery percent from laptop to this smart device built using low-cost Arduino microcontroller over Bluetooth and switch on and off charger based on cutoff percentage. I have created small Windows program in VC++ which will take care of sending battery percentage from laptop every 5 seconds. And on smart device we have programmed using Arduino to handle switching on and off of charger. As you see, if battery percent is over 90%, then it cuts off the charger. If battery percent is below 30%, then it switches on the charger. Proper charging and discharging cycle increases life of battery significantly. Total cost is under $15, which is very less as compared to replacing single new battery, which comes around $70 to $80 plus installation charges. I have been using it for the last 3 months and it works perfectly. We will need following components: Arduino Nano, 5V DC relay, Bluetooth module SC05, AC/DC adapter for 5V DC, AC plug and socket, PCB, female header pins and few jumper wires. Now let's make a connection as per circuit diagram. First, let's solder female header pins and screw connector on PCB. Now mount 5V relay onto PCB using glue gun. Attach AC/DC adapter on PCB using glue gun. Connect relay pins to Arduino. Provide plus 5V from adapter to PCB circuit. Connect AC plug and socket to relay. Mount Arduino Nano. Mount Bluetooth module on PCB pins. Let's take a look at Arduino code now. We will be using software serial library to connect to Bluetooth. We will set Bluetooth data receive timeout as 60 seconds. Then set baud rate as 9600 and relay pin as pin number 13. We need to define minimum cutoff battery percent as 30% and max cutoff percent as 90%. Create object of software serial class and pass RX and TX pin as D2 and D3. Inside setup function, begin Bluetooth communication and set relay pin mode as output. Inside loop function, we will check if Bluetooth data is available. If timed out, then switch off the relay. If data is available, then read the battery percentage. If battery percent is less than 30%, then switch on the relay. If battery percent is greater than 90%, then switch off the relay. Let's upload the code into Arduino. We need to install Battery Saver program into laptop. Download it from the link provided in the description. Install the Battery Saver program. Once installed, power in Battery Saver device and connect charger to it. It will show up in Bluetooth devices as SC05. Pair it and use 1234 as password. We need to find the port name for this device. Start the battery saver program and input the serial port for our Bluetooth device. That's it. Let's take a look at how it works. Thanks for watching and please like, share and subscribe to my channel.